Hello everyone, my name is Anthony Cavallaro. Today is September 11th, 2021, and I am super excited to start this biochem course. So, just a little bit about myself. I am from Portland, Maine, which is really close to both the Biddeford UNE campus and the Portland UNE campus, and I used to actually go to school on the street of the UNE Portland campus, which is kind of cool when I was in high school, middle school, elementary school, etc. I have spent some time in Massachusetts because I went to undergrad there at Stonehill College, which was really cool. I studied biology and I had a double major in Spanish, which allowed me to study abroad in Spain for 6 months and actually teach biology to Spanish-speaking students. Some of my hobbies include being a professional actor at a resort in Maine for about 10 years from the time I was 11 until now, which is really fun. I've participated in over 80 different shows, which has kind of helped formulate myself as a person. My family consists of myself, my sister, and my parents. We are a very tight-knit family, which is really great, and they wanted to support me through grad school, so one of my actual reasons for taking this class is because I needed biochem as a prerequisite to get into grad school. My occupation is that I work at Abbott Labs in their R&D department, which is a biotech company pretty much known worldwide, which is really cool. We have helped formulate the COVID-19 test, and we're working on research and development for further assays in order to optimize patient health and unmet patient needs, I am right now a full-time student, so as I said earlier, I needed to take biochem as a prerequisite for a master's in molecular biotechnology, but I was able to finish off, start my first semester without biochem. I just needed to get into my second semester, so I'm actually studying at Northeastern, but at the satellite school here in Portland called the Rue Institute, which is more based off of biotechnology, computer analytics, computer science, etc. I think I've kind of covered my reasons for taking this course, but again, it's a prerequisite. I had never taken biochem in undergrad because I had to study abroad, so I needed to take this in order to move on to my second semester for my molecular biotechnology degree. And I am not hoping to apply to grad school because I'm already in grad school. However, I'm hoping that this course provides the fundamentals for the grad program that I'm in. It's nice to meet you all. I'm excited to hopefully talk to you all throughout this course. Have a great one.